Hey you guys, what's goody, what it do? It's your girl Abi-Sue and I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I install and style this wig on this beauty right here. Yes, look at that. Amazing. This wig is from Reshine Hair, so keep watching if you guys want to get all the details. Also, I will be doing a wig giveaway, so watch this whole video for all the info on that if you want to enter.
Baby, won't you come to my motel? Slide you the key, baby, don't tell.
Okay, first thing is first, I already put her wig cap on, so now I'm using my Got To Be Freeze spray and I'm spraying that to keep the wig cap intact for when I'm ready to cut it. So yeah, I'm just using my fingers and pressing it in so it's melted. You want to make sure that the area by the ears is really down and really intact, because if it's not, the wig cap will lift up and so will your wig and you're gonna look crazy, sis. So make sure the ears are sticking down. So now I'm just taking my blow dryer and I'm blow drying it until it's dry. Again, you want to make sure the air area make sure that's sticking down and just keep checking, making sure it's dry. And right now I'm using my Ghost Bond and I'm putting that on the air area because yeah, we just want to take extra precaution making sure that it's sticking down. And now I'm using my makeup brush and I'm putting it on the wig cap so it can match her and it could look like scalp when we put the wig on.
Taking all his money, the little bitch gon' waste his time. What the fuck? Man, these niggas dumb as fuck. But shorty gon' live trapping, that little nigga gon' get stuck. What it do? What it do? Shit, bro, just chillin'. I ain't tryna to no Glock. Bitch, I'm tryna get a million. Yeah, I'm tryna get a bag. Made these little niggas mad. Shit, I ain't part of the family, but that little bitch call me dad. We was sitting at the table, she said daddy.
So now I'm taking my scissors and I'm just gonna cut the extra wig cap off.
So don't even ask for love, bitch, you can get loyalty, cause you not royalty, bitch, you can't take me to court, you ain't got lower fees, no, you ain't got lower fees, don't even got a job, if niggas don't take you on dates, you wouldn't be outside, you pop your head up, now you walking around like you the prize, cry on the bus or in the Uber, baby, you decide.
So right now the wig cap is covering her ears, so all I'm doing right now is I'm cutting around it so that her ears won't be covered.
Action, I get active, I'm aggressive, I'm not passive, but sometimes I be relaxing with my dogs and they be smashing. I like smoke, but I hate cancer. Both these niggas turn to dancers. When I knock, I hear no answers. At the crib, they turn to campus. Where they at? Where they at? I hear these niggas looking for me. Niggas screaming for the law with them. So what about your homie? He was sitting in that cell, then he started getting lonely. He picked up the pen and pad and he started snitching on him. I ain't rocking with these niggas cause they snitches and they bitches.
Now that we cut her ears out, we have a perfectly good wig cap and we're ready to do her install. Today we're going to be using this water wave wig from Reshine Hair. It's 24 inches, 180 density. It came with this nice goodie bag. It came with extra tweezers, wig cap, edges brush, and elastic bands and scissors. I thought it was so cute and so convenient. This is what the lace looked like. I loved it because you could customize it to any skin tone, as you could see. So now I'm just matching up the wig with the wig cap, and then I'm using my Ghost Bond and I'm just laying it down where I'm going to apply the wig, and I'm doing that in very thin layers. It makes it so much easier to build up the glue. It makes it so much easier to lay the wig down overall.
Bitch, I'm tryna get a million. Yeah, I'm tryna get a bag. Made these little niggas mad. Shit, I ain't part of the family, but that little bitch call me dad. We was sitting at the table, she said daddy pass the salt. Shit, I went and grabbed for her, cause you know she asked for it. Dad got mad, tryna knock a nigga out. Taught that old nigga a lesson, now he gotta walk it out. What you mean? What I mean, bitch, I mean you a dub. You can't even get a hug, so don't even ask for love. Bitch, you can get loyalty, cause you not royalty. Bitch, you can't take me to court, you ain't got lower fees. No, you ain't got lower fees.
So now I'm just blow drying the glue until it's clear. Now that it's clear, I'm just going to add a second layer just so our wig will stick and it'll be secure.
on action. I get active, I'm aggressive, I'm not passive, but sometimes I be relaxing with my dogs and they be smazzing. I like smoke, but I hate cancer. Both these niggas turn to dancers. When I knock, I hear no answers. At the crib, they turn to campus. Where they at? Where they at? I heard these niggas.
So now I'm just repeating what I did the first time, and I'm blow drying the glue until it's clear and tacky. Then I'm gonna put the wig on, and I'm using my comb to melt it in.
So I gotta keep my distance, yeah, I gotta stay away. Like you niggas got the virus, so I'm back to chasing loot like a motherfucking pirate. What they on? What they on, man? These niggas ain't on nothing. Know that capping on a gram. You should know that nigga frontin'.
Okay, so now I'm just cutting out the ear tab.
I'm really capping. If I'm lying, then I'm flying. Nick, knack, patty rack. I get my dog a bone. Say that he was gonna double it, but now that nigga gone. I know he won't do me wrong like DMX said in his song. If you let your dog roam, he'll find his way home. What they want? What they want?
Okay, and after I do that, I'm just gonna glue down the sides of the wig.
Big gut, you ain't with no big bucks. You ain't got no car, shorty asking to get picked up. Man, these bitches out their mind. Find a nigga on his grind after taking all.
Okay, so I am doing a wig giveaway, and all the information will be at the end of this video, but I just want to make sure that everyone's actually watching and not just skipping to the end because they want to enter the giveaway. So if you actually watch this video and you want to enter the giveaway, after you do everything that you're supposed to do and you comment down below, make sure you include a crown emoji in your comments so that I know that you actually watched. Okay, good luck.
You can't even get a hug, so don't even ask for love. Bitch, you can get loyalty, cause you not royalty. Bitch, you can't take me to court. You ain't got lawyer fees. No, you ain't got lawyer fees. Don't even got a job. If niggas don't take you on dates, you wouldn't be outside. You pop your head up, now you walking around like you the prize. Crown on the bus or in the Uber, baby, you decide.
Okay, so after everything's glued down, I'm cutting tabs on the lace so that when I'm ready to cut the lace off, I kind of have a guide of what I'm doing and where I'm cutting, if that makes sense. And then I'm taking this elastic band and I'm using that to melt the lace in. And now I'm cutting the lace off with my razor.
When I knock, I hear no answers at the crib, they turn to campus. Where they at? Where they at? I heard these niggas looking for me, niggas screaming for the law with them. So what about your homie? He was sitting in that cell, then he started getting lonely. He picked up the pen and pad and he started snitching on him. I ain't rocking with these niggas cause they snitches and they bitches, and I think that it's contagious, so I gotta keep my distance. Yeah, I gotta stay away. Like you niggas got the virus, so I'm back to chasing loot like a motherfucking pirate. What they on? What they on, man? These niggas ain't on nothing. Know that capping on a gram. You should know that nigga frontin'. You should know that nigga lying, cause his pocket's really dying. You might think I'm really capping.
So after I cut the lace off, I put the elastic band back on so that the lace will melt in. And now I'm just going in with my tweezer and I'm plucking a little bit more of the hairline so it could look a little bit more natural. So now I'm taking my comb and I'm parting the hair. Today we're doing a middle part. I feel like I always do middle parts. I haven't done a side part in so long. But yeah, so now I'm taking my hot comb and I'm making the top of the wig flat because we only do flat installs over her, and that's on her. Okay, make sure you guys go invest in a hot comb because y'all need one. Okay, we're not doing the hills on top of our heads. We're not doing that. Flat installs only. Okay, and look at that part. We're gonna fix it up. But yeah, flat. And now I'm taking out some hair for the baby hairs. I'm just sectioning it off and I'm just looking at how I want to do it and how much hair I'm taking out. And yeah, that's basically what I'm doing right here. So after you take out the part for your baby hair, next thing you're gonna do, well, this is optional, but I feel like this helps. Flat ironing it makes it lay better, like in my mind. So yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. After that, I'm just gonna pluck behind the baby hairs, and I'm gonna pluck the baby hairs itself as well, just so it's a little bit more thin and it looks more natural. And now I'm taking my razor and I'm using that to cut my baby hairs. If you're not new to this channel, then you know that I literally suck at doing baby hairs. I'm getting better, but it's like, yeah. So I couldn't really record this on camera. I had to do it off camera because it took such a long time. But yeah, so right now I'm going to part her hair, section her hair off for the rubber band hairstyle that I'm going for, and I'm just parting it in fours. So for this style, I use my hot comb and I hot combed the hair for every section. I felt like it makes it look neater, and I also use my tweezer and I tweeze the parts. I also feel like that makes it look neater as well, but that's definitely optional. You don't have to tweeze it if you don't want to. I just did that because, you know, I thought it looked neater. Anyway, so now I'm taking my rubber band and I'm doing the first section.
I'm tryna get a million. Yeah, I'm tryna get a bag. Me these little niggas mad. Shit, I ain't part of the family, but that little bitch call me dad. We was sitting at the table. She said, Daddy, pass the salt. Shit, I went and grabbed for her, cause you know she asked for it. Dad got mad, tryna knock a nigga out. Taught that old nigga a lesson. Now he gotta walk it out. What you mean? What I mean, bitch, I mean you a dub. You can't even get a hug, so don't even ask for love. Bitch, you can get loyalty, cause you not royalty. Bitch, you can't take me to court. You ain't got lawyer fees. No, you ain't got lawyer fees. Don't even got a job. If niggas don't take you on dates, you wouldn't be outside. You pop your head up, now you walk.
So this is how it looks, and this is what you should have. You should have 4 sections on one side, and then you're gonna do 4 sections on the other side.
I want action, I get active, I'm aggressive, I'm not passive, but sometimes I be relaxing with my dogs and they be smashing. I like smoke, but I hate cancer. Boy, these niggas turn to dancers. When I knock, I hear no answers. At the crib, they turn to campus. Where they at? Where they at? I heard these niggas looking for me. Niggas screaming for the law with them. So what about your homie? He was sitting in that cell, then he started getting lonely. He picked up the pen and pad and he started snitching on.
After you finish that, this is what you should have all together. So there should be 8 mini sections in total, and then you're gonna do 2 big ponytails. So that's what I'm doing now. Okay, this next step is optional. What I'm doing now is I'm taking out a small piece of the ponytail, I'm combing it out, and then I'm gonna flat iron it so that it's straight, because when I'm done, I'm gonna take that piece and I'm gonna wrap it around the ponytail. Before I wrap it around, I'm spraying it with my Got To Be Free spray, just so that it'll stay in place. Bitch, I'm tryna get a million. Yeah, I'm tryna get a bag. Me these little niggas mad. Shit, I ain't part of the family, but that little bitch call me dad. We was sitting at the table. She said, Daddy, pass the salt. Shit, I went and grabbed for her, cause you know she asked for it. Dad got mad, tryna knock a nigga out. Taught that old nigga a lesson. Now he gotta walk it out. What you mean? What I mean, bitch, I mean you a dub. You can't even get a hug, so don't even ask for love. Bitch, you can get loyalty, cause you not royalty. Bitch, you can't take me to court. You ain't got lawyer fees. No, you ain't got lawyer fees. Don't even got a job. If niggas don't take you on dates, you wouldn't be outside. You pop your head up, now you walking around like you the prize. Cry on the bus or in the Uber, baby, you decide. I want action, I get active, I'm aggressive, I'm not passive, but sometimes I be relaxing with my dogs and they be smashing. I like smoke, but I hate cancer. Boy, these niggas turn to dancers. When I knock, I hear no answers. At the crib, they turn to campus. Where they at? Where they at? I heard these niggas looking for me. Niggas screaming for the law with them. So what about your homie? He was sitting in that cell, then he started getting lonely. He picked up the pen and pad and he started snitching on him. I ain't rocking with these niggas, cause they snitches and they bitches, and I think that it's contagious, so I gotta keep my distance. Yeah, I gotta stay away, like you niggas got the virus, so I'm back to chasing loot like a motherfucking pirate. So when that's done, this is what you should have. Again, this part is completely optional. I just feel like it brings the whole look out, but this is what we have in the end. Looks so cute. I'm proud of myself. Yeah. Ain't she cute? I did her makeup and everything. This look came together perfectly. I love it. I love it. I love it. So this is the hair, how it looks when it's dry, and this is the hair after I put mousse in it. Looks super cute. I really love the texture of this hair, and it's so full, and she loved it as well. Make sure you guys wash this hair before you use it, because when I first opened it up, I was like, I really wasn't feeling the texture, and I really did not think the length was true to size at first, but then when I washed it, it looked so amazing, and it looked great, and I love it, and this is how it looks now. So I do recommend this hair. I like it very much, and she loves it as well. So yeah, make sure you guys check out Reshine Hair. Okay, you guys, so I'm doing a giveaway of this Brazilian straight 20-inch wig. If you want to enter the giveaway, make sure you're subscribed to my channel. Make sure you like this video. Make sure you follow me on Instagram at caution_CTRG. Also post on your story of you watching any one of my videos and tag me so I can see it. Then when you're done, come back and comment "done" on this video so I can see it. Okay, thank you guys for watching, and good luck.